So this is a hadith from Sahih Muslim, reported by Hadrat Salma radiyallahu ta'ala anha. She says that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when the last half of Zulhijjah comes and somebody has got an animal to sacrifice, which he wants to offer as sacrifice, then he should not be cutting his hair, nor he should trim his nail. So what is the significance of that?
Yes.
The significance, I don't know exactly what could be the significance, but this is the tradition of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that until he had sacrificed the animal, he wouldn't cut his nails or shorten his hair. I've thought many times about it, why, but that could have been the sunnah of Hazrat Ismail radiyallahu ta'ala anhu or Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, which he was reviving. And also there is sort of, shall I say, madness of love in all the articles of Hajj. Like the madness of a lover dressed only in one cloth or two cloths, unsewn cloths, and going round and round like one's beloved one. This is a practice which was carried out in every age by every people. It is also reported by historians that when Humayun fell ill and the doctors had, whatever the doctors were at that time, had declared that he is incurable, then his father went round and round his bed 7 times and prayed to God to give his life to him. And it is reported after that Babur died very soon, and Humayun was revived. So this is a sort of custom of old, to go round someone there, and this custom was also followed during the Hajj. So nails are grown, hair are grown. This is also a sign of madness of love. So I think that could be the reason why it is done so. But those people who sacrifice their animals outside Mecca, I don't think they have to follow the same thing. That's a different thing altogether. Because they cannot go around and make circuits, and so when they can't do anything else, it's just joining them in sacrifice, that's all.
Babur and Humayun.
Babur was the firstborn emperor of India,
Yes.
and Humayun was his son. He was the second emperor after him.
Of India. Mughal, okay. Got it.